the governor had just presented his budget, and there were wide range speculations and concerns that he ought not to have presented his budget because of the cases in court. First, how did it meet you that the governor presented his budget today?
We need to get one thing very straight when we talk about what the governor can and cannot do. The governor is within his rights to present his budget when he's ready with his budget, which it seems he is ready with the budget, and therefore he has presented the budget. Now, the issue of whether he should or should not have presented the budget because of the so-called cases in court. What we must get straight is what the law says. What did the law say? The law says that if there is no issues in your political party on which you were voted into the State House of Assembly, has no issue, then when you vacate your seat, for whatever reason you have chosen to vacate your seat, then it means you are no longer a member of that house. Now, even if there are 4 members who didn't vacate their seat, they are the real representatives of the people that they are representing. It's not the fault of those people or the fault of the representatives if they are the only ones left in the State House of Assembly. Therefore, they are the authentic members. Now, if there is only 4 people, when there is provision for, for 27, and there is only 4 authentic members, then they are the 4 authentic members, and they choose one out of them to be their speaker, then that is the speaker. And so, as far as the people of Rivers State, the majority of the people of Rivers State are concerned, those are the authentic members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The governor is the authentic governor of Rivers State, and he has authentically presented his budget to those members. And the people of Rivers State, the majority of the people of Rivers State, are happy, and we are contented with that process.
Don't you think he would have waited for the Supreme Court ruling on the authentic position of the House of Assembly before doing this?
No, I don't think so. But then I'm not a lawyer. But I don't think so. We cannot, as a people of Rivers State, we cannot accept to be pushed around by one judgment or the other, bought by one person or the other, manipulated by one person or the other. The judiciary has not come out very well in the crisis that has transpired in Rivers State in the past 1 year. The governor has presented his budget. If anybody is unhappy with what the governor has done, the judiciary is there. They should go to court.
Okay, so far so good. The governor has presented his budget. 2025, going forward, what are your expectations?
Oh, the expectations is that the governor will do even better than he has done so far with the obstacles and the crisis that he has been put through, and the obstacles that has been placed before him, and what the people of Rivers State have had to endure. But we thank God that, again, the majority of Rivers people have shown very clearly, without any shadow of doubt or fear or favor, that they are in support of the duly elected governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi. And moving forward, the people of Rivers State are happy with him. If you look at what he has been able to do under very, very terrible and unbelievable circumstances, where even the governor himself was attacked at some point and could have died in that process at the beginning of this problem. And so when you consider all those things, the governor has done very well. He has been able to maintain, with the support of Rivers people, maintain peace and order in this state. So for me personally, I scored the governor very high, but maybe I'm biased because I support the governor.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.